Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mahdi Disfani, the Research Director of Porous Lane, taking you through our journey today. So, the first problem that Porous Lane resolves is the flash flooding. Scenes like this are certainly familiar to all of you. And this is because the current roads do not let the water to get into the ground. As our cities become more populated, we are covering more and more land with these impermeable roads, which means there would be more of flash flooding. The second problem we are resolving is the growing waste tire crisis. More than 55 million tires reach their end of life in Australia, with less than 10% recycled. And the problem is only getting worse, as now there is a ban on exporting Australian waste overseas, recently introduced by federal government. And urban heat island is another problem our technology resolves. On an average summer day, Melbourne CBD can be up to 4 degrees warmer than outer suburbs, partially because of the dark surfaces of roads contributing to this issue. So, Porous Lane resolves this issue by rethinking and reinventing the ways roads are made. We are offering a road surface which is highly permeable, which means it allows water to go back into the ground. We are using up to 3 tires per square meter or 50% content of recycled tire. Addition of recycled tire makes our product more resilient, suitable for trafficable areas, and it makes it to last longer with lower maintenance requirement. And due to the lighter color, we can also mitigate the urban heat island issue. In terms of the competition, there are companies, as you see on the left bottom side of the slide, that they offer technologies in the domain of porous asphalt. Porous asphalt doesn't have a high value of permeability and the design life is quite limited. The conventional permeable pavements companies, there is a wider range of them. But the main issue with them is that the majority of them don't have a product which works when there is a car tire or traffic present. So you cannot use them in driveways, for example. Porous Lane offers a solution which is 10 times more permeable than the other competitor. It means the water can get into the ground 10 times faster. It's trafficable, so you can put it in laneways, parking bays. We use waste tire up to 50%, as I mentioned, which means our product is more resilient and requires lower maintenance. It's easier to install and as a result comes at a far lower price tag. In terms of the available market, combining the laneways, parkings, driveways and pedestrian walks, there is an estimated 25 million square meter available to Porous Lane, or equivalent of 4,500 times the size of MCG. If we scale up the current offers that the company is receiving, our market size available to us in the first 12 months would be 50,000 square meter or $10 million in terms of the market value. The team is made of myself with research and product development expertise, Ramin, who is an experienced pavement engineer, Amir, who is a pavement engineer and geotech engineer, who has worked in the industry in particular on business development area, and Neil, who is an inventor from construction industry, bringing his experience to the team. Now, this is not just an idea. We have done this in Adelaide, city of Mitcham, where we cover 25 parking bays with our product. And then we had an opening day where more than 100 people from councils, water authorities, construction industry attended the car park, including myself, the mayor of City of Mitcham, and CEO of Tire Stewardship Australia. It attracted significant media coverage, and recently this year, the Assistant Federal Minister for Waste Reduction with the local federal MPs attended and visited the car park. And just recently, we received the South Australian Government Award for Excellence in Sustainable Infrastructure Management. We have moved on. Since then, we have done a larger project here in Melbourne, city of Stonington, and we've actually changed the way that we install and we lay our product. We've moved to the introduction of modular blocks or Lego pavements, we would like to call them, which means our product can be now installed faster, easier, and in any climate condition. So the company is incorporated. We have obtained our exclusive license for the technology from University of Melbourne, and right now we are seeking investment to boost up our production and growth. Currently, we can manufacture up to 100 square meter a week, and that's manual manufacturing. And with an investment of $1 million, we can rapidly scale up our growth to 50,000 square meter a year or $10 million. So if you are interested to join us or know more about our product, please get in touch. Thank you.